Hi everybody, today we're going to have a look at creating the Survey123 forms using our new AI. So the first thing we're going to do is log into our ArcGIS Online account, and we're going to head over to the little waffle at the top next to your name, and we're going to select the Survey123 icon. Now, if you've used Survey123 before, then you'll know there is a lot of things that you can do in Survey123. They're amazing. But today we're going to have a look at creating it using an AI. So I'm going to go onto New Survey, and I'm just going to go ahead and use a blank survey just to show you it from scratch. Okie dokie. Now, one of the first things that you would need to do is make sure that this Survey123 Assist at the bottom left right here is activated. If you click on it and you actually try to use it and it says that your Survey123 Assistant isn't activated, then what you need to do is come up to the Organization tab right here. You need to go over to Settings on the right hand side, down to Extensions, and then just make sure that your Survey123 Assist is actually enabled right here. If it's on disabled, just enable it and press save, okay? Once you've done that, you might just want to refresh your page real quick, and then it will be activated from there. Now, obviously, all the old rules with your Survey123 still apply. So any kind of number, date, or text icons that you want in there, you would pop from here, and it's simply a drag and drop situation. Any choice options that you might want are here: single choice, multiple choice, like, scale, ratings. Your location questions are located right here. And then at the bottom, you've got your media files such as audio and imagery. However, what if we want to use Survey123, but we're just not really sure how we want our survey to look? So we can go down here to the assistant, and we can basically have a bit of a conversation with our AI. So, hello, please, I say please because I'm a millennial, make me a survey on, and you can pick whatever your topic is. Maybe it's human impacts for coastal erosion, maybe it's looking at, land formations, maybe it's a species identification for a weed survey. Whatever it might be, you can simply just write in here what you want your survey to include. Now, I've just put there a very basic sentence. Hello, please can you make me a survey on sharks? I am wanting to include species, size, location, and anything else you think is relatable, because we can actually use this form for schools as well, so students can even use this. So what it's going to do is it's then going to kind of put together what it thinks is the best survey for you. Now, just like any AI, this is a two-way conversation. So if you would like changes made to question 7, for example, you can simply write a response saying you would like question 7 to be different and explain how you would like it to be different. Once you are happy with everything, you can simply press this Generate tab right here, and it will actually put all your questions into a Survey123 format, like so. From here, you've got options of, selecting a date here, a time. Can you identify the shark species? Now, if I click on one of these and highlight it, I can go to the right-hand side here and you can see the choices that it's provided me. So, great white, hammerhead, tiger, bull, and mako. Brilliant. That might be perfect for me. However, I might be doing a survey specifically around whale sharks, okay? So what I want to do is I want to click that little plus button at the bottom there, and another choice will come about, and I can simply add into the options what I want. So just because the AI has created what it thinks would be beneficial for your survey doesn't mean that you have to accept exactly what it's done. You still have full range to modify everything that you want to modify, okay? Once that you are happy with your survey and you've gone ahead and saved it, you can then publish it, and share it with your students via the Collaborate tab and selecting the QR code or the link provided.